Hi, I'm Martin from Comparables.ai. In this video, I want to give you some quick tips on how to get started with the free version of our platform. So let's get started. Okay, starting off, you need to select which type of companies you want to screen. You can either select the stock listed company or private company database. For this video, I'm just going to do a sample search on the stock listed company database. I'm going to input Tesla here as an example, pick it from the list. Then the AI is going to give me some suggested keywords that I can use for my search. I'm going to pick one here and add it. It'll then get added to the business description field here. And now if I want to add some further keywords, I can do it here in the advanced keyword search. Here I can fill in any other relevant keywords that I would like to use. In this field, I can add exact phrases by using the quotation marks, these ones. And in the last field here, I can filter out any unwanted keywords that I don't want to see in my search by using the minus sign or the hyphen, like this. And if you want, you can also apply any geography filters from this selector here. Just select any regions or countries that you want to filter out. In this filter, you can set any financial filters that you'd like or select the currency for the search. Okay, let's go ahead and click search. The AI will then consider both your example companies and the keywords that you have put in to find your initial search results. Alright, so let's have a look at these different components here. Firstly, let's look at the different categories that the companies are presented in. The top one here is the AI summary category. It summarizes all the other different categories. You can see the different categories being summarized here, as well as on the top of the card, the AI is giving you an index match score for the company's relevancy. These categories are also presented down here in the list. The first one being the peer group category, so companies that are typically in the same peer group as Tesla. The second category is the keyword category, so companies matching on the keywords that we searched. Then we have the industry category, so companies that are matching the different related industries. Then we have the semantic category, which shows you companies that match semantically to our search. And then lastly, we have the related topics, so companies that match on related topics that we haven't searched for, but the AI thinks are closely related to our search. So all of these categories use different AI models, and it gives you a bunch of different options on trying to find the companies that are most relevant to you. And if you like, you can just start with this summary category here. Let's open a company card. In this middle section here, you can see why the AI has recommended this company to you. So how relevant it is based on the peer group element, or the keywords, industry, semantics, and topic. Each company card also has a description of the company, the link to the company website, and some basic financials. If you think this company is relevant for your search, you can just add it to your peer list by clicking this button here. So now let's go ahead and pick some companies that we think are relevant to our analysis. If you want, you can dig deeper into any of the categories by clicking the See All button. It'll then show you all the companies in that category in a list view or a card view. And now you can see some of these help cards here giving you some tips on what to do with the platform. For example, this pro tip here is urging you to add companies to your list and then updating the results. So let's do that. Let's add this company here and then click update. What happens then is that the AI will consider all of the activity that you have done, so all the companies that you have selected, and focus the search based on that. And it's going to give you an updated result list based on all the activity. Another feature on the platform is this little icon here. It gives you a visual representation of all the companies that have been displayed to you previously. So you don't have to spend time on analyzing the same company twice. And you can focus on screening only new companies instead. Again, when you find any relevant companies, you can just add them to your list and update the search results. You can do this however many times you like. Now let's have a look at all the companies that we've found in the peer group list. In the peer group list, you have a real-time overview of all the companies that you have selected, as well as some financial KPIs that you can change by clicking this button here. This means that you can always stay up to date on where your analysis is heading, and it gives you a chance to update and review your analysis and the companies that you have based on the financial KPIs. If you want to remove any companies, just do that here. If you're happy with your peer group, you can just save it from here. Just enter a name here and click save. It'll then be available here in your My Searches tab. On the analysis page, you can take a deeper look into your peer group. You can add more columns. It means you can add more financial items to analyze your companies on. Right now there's about 80 financial items that you can add, but we have access to about 1,000 different data points, so if there's anything missing, you can just request it from us and we can add it to the platform really quickly. Adding a financial item is a premium feature, but it's something you can try out in the premium trial, so be sure to check that out. And the last thing I want to mention are the Excel exports. On top of the data selections that you can do in the platform itself, we have 3 different templates that you can select and include in your data exports. The benchmarking template gives you a quick way to compare your companies side by side, comparing revenues and profitabilities. The daily valuation data is good for making a time series graph of valuation multiples. And the valuation dashboard includes both a trading multiples valuation sheet to do a valuation based on your company peer group, and also a weighted average cost of capital calculation sheet where you can use the peer group that you have found to get a precise beta for your WACC analysis. You can check out these templates here in the downloadable sample export. If you have any questions or feedback to us, you can always shoot us an email or use the feedback button in the right corner here of the screen. And of course, feel free to book a meeting with us at any time if you want to discuss anything regarding the platform or if you'd like to get a personalized onboarding from us. Please also check out these articles down below to see what else is included in the premium of our platform. Alright, so that's it for this video. Feel free to play around with the free tool, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.